Okay students, now we are going to see comparison of rational numbers. So first point to be remember is negative rational number are smaller than positive rational number. See, all the negative numbers are already smaller than positive numbers. So in rational number also, all the negative rational numbers are smaller than positive rational number. For example, if we take for example, minus 2 by 3 is less than 2 by 3. This is negative and this is positive. So negative rational numbers will always be less than positive rational number. Now again one more thing is minus 2 by 3 is less than 0. Yes, this should also be considered that 0 is always greater than negative numbers. So 0 is always greater than negative rational number, or else you can say minus 2 by 3 is less than 0, but 0 is less than 2 by 3. 0 will be always less than a positive number, but 0 will be always greater than a negative number. In rational number also, 0 is at the middle of negative rational number and positive rational number. Now the next point is second point. The first case when both denominator are same. If denominator are same, then for example 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. If you are going to see 3 by 4 and 2 by 4, both are positive number, but their denominator are same. Now only the difference is on the numerator side. In such cases, the number which is greater or the number will be smaller depend on the numerator. So here we will write one point. If denominator are same, then numerator will be compared and result will depend on numerator. For example, the same example, 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. See here, both denominator are same, so we have to compare what? Numerator. Now which one is bigger? 3 is bigger than 1, so 3 by 4 will be greater than 1 by 4. Another example, if I take negative number minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3, which one is greater? Denominator are same, so we will compare minus 2 and minus 1 because numerator will be compared and result will depend on numerator. So minus 2 or minus 1, which one is greater? Minus 1 is greater, because in negative, greater than negative, number will be smaller. Smaller the negative value, greater will be the value of that number. So minus 2 by 3 is less than minus 1 by 3. So we have seen both the example when the case is what? Denominator are same. If denominator are same, then number will be compared on the basis of numerator and the result will depend on the numerator. Now the next case, this is the case 1 and case 3. If denominator and numerator both are different. If both are different, in this case, what exactly we have to do is, step 1, take LCM of denominator. Second step, change the numerator on the basis of LCM. Third, compare the new numerator. So when denominator and numerator both are different, the first step is take LCM of denominator. अपन ने LCM ले लिया डिनोमिनेटर का, ठीक है। उसके बाद में अपन क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे एक लाइन और लिख लीजिए, फर्दर एंड रिप्लेस बोथ बाय LCM। ये लाइन और ऐड कर लीजिए। तो क्या हो गया कि पहले डिनोमिनेटर का LCM ले लीजिए और दोनों को रिप्लेस किससे कर दीजिए, LCM से। तो फॉर दिस वी विल टेक एन एग्जांपल आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस 3 स्टेप। सेकंड स्टेप इज चेंज द न्यूमरेटर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ LCM। जो LCM लिया है उसके बेसिस पे अपने को क्या करना पड़ेगा, न्यूमरेटर को भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा। फिर कंपेयर द न्यू न्यूमरेटर, जो न्यू न्यूमरेटर आएगा, क्योंकि अपन ने दोनों को रिप्लेस किससे कर दिया, LCM से, तो डिनोमिनेटर अब क्या हो जाएगा, सेम हो जाएगा। फिर जो न्यू न्यूमरेटर होगा उसको अपने को कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा। मतलब अपन यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, पहले डिनोमिनेटर लेके और डिनोमिनेटर लिया अपन ने, फिर उसका LCM लिया, फिर उसके बाद में उनको सेम किया। फिर अपन कहाँ पे जाएंगे, न्यूमरेटर को चेंज करेंगे, और न्यूमरेटर को चेंज करने के बाद अपन ने पहले जो वैल्यू थी वो अब काय में चेंज हो जाएगी, इसके पहले वाले केस जैसा कि डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया है। तो अपन क्या करते हैं, केवल न्यूमरेटर को कंपेयर करते हैं। तो अपन ने न्यूमरेटर को कंपेयर कर लेंगे ना। नाउ कीपिंग दिस असाइड, वी विल टेक एन एग्जांपल 3/4 and 1/4. See, sorry, it is 1/5. Now 3/4 and 1/5. Denominator are not same, so take LCM. LCM of 4 and 5 are 20. Replace both by LCM only. Now here it is 4, here it is 20. 4 5s are 20. How much times? 4 5s are 20. So we will write 5 here and multiply it with the numerator 3. Now 5 4s are 20. 4 into 1. It will be what? 5 3s are 15/20 and 4 1s are 4. 4/20. Which one is bigger? See the numerator. 15 4. Which one is greater? 15 is greater than 4. So therefore 15/20 is greater than 4/20. This is one example. Now you will see next example. -3/5 and -2/7. Again, take LCM. LCM of 5 and 7 is equal to 35. Replacing by denominator. Now 5 7s are 35, so 7 into -3, and 7 5s are 35, so 5 into -2. it will be minus 21 upon 35 and minus 10 upon 35. Again the previous case, denominator same है, compare क्या करेंगे अपन, numerator minus 21 or minus 10, which one is greater than, minus 10 is greater than minus 21, so it will be what, 25 and 35. So this is the case, this is how we are going to compare the rational number. Now on the basis of comparison of rational number, we have to solve this question. So first question is arrange in ascending order, the second question is arrange in descending order. See, the process will be the same, just we have to apply the concept here only. So now see, in this question 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5, 7 by 8 and 5 by 6. Earlier we know that we have seen the points to remember. First point was that negative number is always less than a positive number. So first we have to take out negative number. So here it will be minus 2 by 5 less than 3 by 4, 7 by 8 and 5 by 6. Our first step is complete. Now we have to look for this part. We cannot decide what exactly the answer of these three. So this will be the first number. In ascending order we have to move from smaller to bigger. So this will be the first number. The next bigger number will be chosen from these three, and next bigger number and bigger than that. Now what exactly we have to do is we have to take this part only. So out of this 4, 8, 6, take LCM. Take the LCM. LCM of 4, 8 and 6. We don't know. Then we will write here 4, 8 and 6. 2. 2s are 4. 4 and 3. Again 2. 1, 2 and 3. Again 2. 1, 1 and 3. Again 3. 1, 1, 1. So it will be, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, or 8 3s are 24. So LCM of 4, 8 and 6 are 24. Replaced by 24. Replaced by 24 and replaced by 24. All these three denominators are replaced by 24, 24. Same process. Denominator are different, so first we have to take the LCM, then change the numerator accordingly. So 4 6 are 24, so 6 into 3. 8 3s are 24, so 3 into 7. Now 6 4s are 24, so 4 into 5. We will change the numerator also. 6 3s are 18 by 24, and here it will be 21 by 24, and 5 4s are 20 by 24. So the answer will be, we have to compare the numerator. 18 will be smaller, next bigger will be 20, then after that 21. So 18 by 24 less than 20 by 24 less than 21 by 24. And previously what exactly we have taken out? Minus 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 is less than this. Now what we have to do is to replace these numbers by their actual numbers. So it will be minus 2 by 5. Now 18 by 24 is the replacement of which number? 3 by 4. So it will be less than 3 by 4. After that 20 by 24. 20 by 24 is replacement of 5 by 6. 21 by 24. 21 by 24 is displacement of what? Less than 7 by 8. So this will be the answer. This is how we are going to proceed. This will be the answer for arrange in ascending order. Now, similar process will be applied in arrange in descending order. What exactly we have to apply? Minus 1 by 4 will be the smallest. So, now here exactly what will be descending order. Descending order means from bigger to smaller. So, minus 1 by 4 will be here 5 by 12, comma 2 by 3, comma 8 by 9. Now we have to find from this one. Take the LCM. LCM of 12, 3 and 9. So the LCM will be 2, 6, 3 or 9. Again 2, 3, 3 and 9. 3, 1, 1 and 3 and 3, 1, 1 and 1. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 36. Start करें. Now it will be 36, 36, 36. So 12 3s are 36. So 3 into 5. Again 3, 36, 12 times. So 12 into 2 and 9 4s are 36. 4 into 8. It will be 15 by 36. This will be 24 by 36. And it will be 4 is the 32. 32 by 36. So which one is greater? 32 by 36 greater than 24 by 36, 15 by 36. And which one is the last? That is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now we are going to replace the numbers. 32 by 36, 33 by 36 is of what? 8 by 9. So 8 by 9 greater than 24 by 36, 24 by 36. इसका था 2 by 3 का 2 by 3 less than, and then 15 by 36, 15 by 36, 5 by 12 greater than minus 1 by 4. So this will be the answer.